Updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath, with approximately 1,460 square feet. Large corner lot in Delta School System. Formal living room and open concept kitchen/dining/family room. Recently updated kitchen includes Pennville custom cabinets with boomerang shelf, Pergo flooring and new sliding glass door to backyard deck. Wood-burning fireplace and newer sliding glass door in family room. Master suite features new carpet, door to backyard deck, and updated attached bath. 2 additional bedrooms have new carpeting. Lot size is 0.64 acres. Backyard features 2 decks, pergola, storage shed, and partial fencing. Garage includes full wall of custom storage cabinets and laundry area, washer and dryer are included. Total electric with monthly average $182.